Hey Nookers, Darcie here. Today, I want to talk to you about deep point of view. You might want to take a moment and go back to lesson 13 on thewritenook.com. Kayla does a great job describing the 3 different kinds of points of view along with the tenses that accompany each one. My job today is to tell you about deep point of view and explain why you want to use that. Let's take a trip back in time. A long time ago, authors used something called omniscient point of view. That's where there was a narrator sitting way up high on some lofty mountain or even a cloud, looking down on what was going on. That narrator would then tell the story as he or she saw it. Now, the narrator couldn't exactly be in the heads of the characters. They didn't know what they were thinking or feeling. They didn't understand sometimes what the motivations behind the behaviors were. But they could tell you that Sally was walking down the street and Bobby was sneaking up behind her with an axe. And it would go something like this. Sally was creeping down the street in the dark. Little did she know, Bobby was creeping behind her, holding an axe high above his head, ready to swipe at any moment. It is suspenseful, I'll give you that. But again, we're watching the action happen. We're detached from what's going on. Deep point of view will put you in either Sally or Bobby's head. You will put on their skin. You will start feeling the beating of the heart. You will start feeling the adrenaline rush. You'll start feeling maybe the rage that Bobby has with the axe or the fear that Sally has walking down that dark street. It allows your reader to experience the story, and that's what deep point of view is all about. It's about creating an experience. People like to collect experiences today, so be an experience that they want to collect. Give them a great experience so that they come back looking for more. In the following videos, Kim, Kayla, and Becca are going to give you some tips on how to apply this concept of deep point of view to your own writing so that you can create that wonderful experience. Make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss a single episode. Give us a like and share our videos with your friends. With pen to paper, this is Darcie.